Welcome to the setup guide video for the Mira encrypted traffic orchestrator, also known as the ETO. In this video, I'll be going through how to use the local category database in the ETO. If you haven't already created a policy or segment or gone through the initial setup, please watch the videos for those topics. You will find a link to them in the description below. In previous videos, we learned how to use the Mira category database service and match lists on rules to bypass, decrypt, or drop different types of traffic based on different scenarios and configurations. Today we will complete our trifecta by explaining another feature that the ETO has, the local category database, or local cat DB. It is very important to understand that not all deployment scenarios for the ETO will need a local cat DB. When the local cat DB used in conjunction with the Mira category database service, entries in the local cat DB take precedence over the service entry, which will allow it to override the categorization provided by the service. So let's go to our ETO. We have already configured a policy set to universal decrypt in inline passive mode where a copy of the traffic flows are being sent to the IDS. Let's say that we have 5 different domains that we want to categorize as local communication apps in our local cat DB, and then use it on our rules to bypass inspection of that traffic. We can do that first by creating a local cat DB update file, which is a tar file containing the following 2 files: mastercategory.csv, and it will contain our category identifier, local communication, apps, and the corresponding description. Second, URL category.csv, and it will contain the server name part of the URL for the chosen websites followed by their category identifier. We will combine the 2 CSV files into one tar file. And that's it. We have our file ready to go. Next, we will go back to our ETO policy section, then click on Categories, then scroll down to Local Category DB Update Settings. We will click on Edit and then type the corresponding URL update link for our file with the auto update checked and then click Save. Then we will click on Force Update from server. It's worth mentioning that the auto update feature will make the ETO check for the tar file updates, meaning that if you have multiple ETOs, they will automatically be in sync and get the updates to the local cat DB file. So now if we scroll up and see the category master list, we will find the new category local communication apps added to the list. After that, we will be going back to the ETO policy section and then add a rule to our rule list and choose the needed action for this rule. Then under the content match fields, we will be able to see the new category we just created on the server categories list. We will choose the category local communication apps and then click Save. Finally, we can go to our segment and activate the change we just made. The ETO will now bypass the traffic for the local communication apps listed in the local cat DB. Thank you for watching this brief guide on how to use the local category database on the ETO. For any other guide videos, please check out our channel page.